folks, we're looking at Rebel Girl by Bikini Kill in this lesson for Craig Stewart over at Patreon. Thanks indeed for your support, Craig. Now you're probably wondering, what is this I have here? Well, this is the Donna Hush travel guitar. So all these bits come off and it breaks down into a really small little portable package with a case and everything. And they're kindly sponsoring this video, so thanks very much indeed, Donna. They've got a very limited deal on for this, so check out the details in the description below. Now I'm just recording this straight into my audio interface, so that's what it sounds like clean. But I've got a universal audio insert. It's called Raw. It's basically like a rap. So that's the tone that I'm going for this tune. First riff goes like this. Like that, right? Pretty straightforward. We've basically just got a power chord on the 6th fret, and you're going to palm mute that. All 8th notes, you do a bar, and then another 5. Then, because you've got your first finger covering these strings anyway, you just take off your 3rd and 4th, and you're going to hit the 6th fret on the A, D and G. Like that. Again, slowly. Like that. Pretty straightforward, right? Next section then just goes. So you're going to play like that. Similar vibe to before, right? Then after 4 of those, it breaks off into this. That's the first like 2 bars, right? So we've got, again, variation on a theme, right? Then you go little double stops, right? 8th fret. I'm playing those on the G and B string. I just use my 1st and 3rd fingers there. Next 2 bars go. Like that. Variation on the theme. So we've just got. Then you go to the 8th fret. You could just use your 3rd finger there. And then you got your first finger in position for that last bit. Cool little repeating pattern then, which is first 2 bars. Let's stop there. It's that part that repeats. So 4 times and then again, slight bend there when you. And then the next bar goes. Little half step bend there. So this time you just do 2.5 of the phrase. And then little bend like that. Then another variation on the theme. We're back to the sort of main riff. This time though, there's some variants where the second time it plays 8 to 6, right? For those last 3 8th notes, and then the 3rd time it actually moves down. The power chord moves down. I mean, that's essentially what you're doing, right? But you're just playing those 2 notes of it, right? So a subtle variance, but I think that's what I hear there. And then the 4th time, you just stay on the B flat. Then chorus, and we go into. Just into that. You do that 4 times. So it's just down, 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 up, down, 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 change, up, down, up. Like that, okay, pretty straightforward stuff. Then we got this repeating part. Like that. Next up we got some unison bends. Unison bends are tricky on this. It's kind of like playing an acoustic, to be honest, in terms of like action and you know, being able to bend strings. But we have something like this. You got that going on. And it's a hard bend, I tell you. So we have. And then rest. 3, 4, 1. That was slightly flat and over. Literally. To bend it up. My finger goes right under the string. So there we go. Then we're into this part again. That's 4 times round of that with those little variances. Chorus again. 4 of those. And the outro is just 4 of these. Just doing that. And I've noticed I've done my thumb over the top here because you've got this. Little sus4 there. And then down to the G sharp, right? Again. And that's it. You're done. Hope you enjoyed it.